Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss a question from class 11 geography chapter 7, that is natural hazards and disasters. So the question is, what is vulnerability? Divide India into natural disaster vulnerability zones based on routes and suggest some mitigation measures. Answer. Vulnerability refers to the risk of becoming a victim to a disaster. Those areas which are more prone to natural calamities are more vulnerable. Extreme drought affected areas. Most part of the Rajasthan, particularly areas to the west of Aravalli Hills, that is Marusthali and Kutch regions of Gujarat, fall in this category. Included here are some districts like Jaisalmer or Barmer from the Indian desert that receive less than 90 mm average rainfall. Severe drought prone areas. Parts of eastern Rajasthan, most parts of Madhya Pradesh, eastern parts of Maharashtra, interior parts of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka plateau, northern parts of interior Tamil Nadu and southern parts of Jharkhand and interior Odisha are included in this category. Moderate drought affected area. Northern parts of Rajasthan, Haryana, southern districts of Uttar Pradesh, the remaining parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra except Konkan, Jharkhand and Coimbatore plateau of Tamil Nadu, interior Karnataka are included in this category. The remaining parts of India can be considered either free or less prone to the drought. Remedial measures. Provision for the distribution of safe drinking water, medicines for the victims, and availability of water and water for the cattle and shifting of the people and the livestock to safer places, etc. Identification of groundwater potential in the form of aquifers, transfer of river water from the surplus to the deficit areas, and particularly planning for natural linking of rivers and reconstruction of reservoirs and dams, etc. Remote sensing and satellite imageries can be useful in identifying the possible river basins that can be interlinked and in identifying the groundwater potential. Rainwater harvesting can also be an effective method in minimizing the effects of drought. Thank you. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.